Hey guys, well here's a video of my Hoover Portable. Just simply push that lever. The cord simply just comes out at the side here. Give me enough cord. Plug it in. Apparently I can't let it turned on yet. Now we're going to shift it in. Tuck that all up. You would simply just lift that up. And there is your Type K bag, or J bag I mean. You would simply let the door down and lock it in place. The hose would just simply curl back up in there. Let me go ahead and get it nice and roll back in like so. Got your dusting brush, your cleaning bare floor tool, your extension tube. Well, this is your bare floor tool. Got your crevice tool, upholstery brush. You have to close it really quickly because it's now the clipboard's broken. As you can see, $5 at Goodwill in Petoskey, Michigan, I believe. Petoskey, whatever. Hoover Portable. The medallion is just a little scratched up, but that ain't too bad. That can be pretty easily taken care of. Let's go ahead and turn that light on up here. That's a little better. It is a model 2260. 2260. There we go. I don't know what the heck that D mark is, but this is the filter for it. So I'm gonna cut a new filter eventually and replace it. I do have new bags for it. I'm gonna replace all those too. Anyways, just wanted to show you guys my new Hoover Portable.